I'm one of the faculty members in the Intro Bio series.
My name is I'm also a faculty member in the Intro Bio class.
We're really excited today because we're finally getting to open up some new equipment that we got thanks to the Carver Charitable Trust. These are microscopes and cameras that we're going to be using in our classrooms to give students a shared experience. So that they're taking what used to be an isolated, one person at a time experience and turning it into a collaborative exercise that they can do together.
And these are high quality microscopes that we have been waiting for it for a few months now. So exciting, finally got here.
I think it's really cool too that like technology is sort of like, gotten to the point now where we can have these like really cool cameras on the microscope. And I think what we have here is a microscope, one of the new models from Olympus. Yeah, that's really nice. And so these microscopes, they each have, I think it's called a trinocular, so they have this tube up here. And so the idea is that we're going to each one of these microscopes, we're going to attach a digital camera. And so this digital camera actually has Wi-Fi capability. So the students will be able to capture these images either on shared laptops that we also got as part of this grant, which is one of them here, or they can even capture these images on their phones. And so, traditionally, it's been kind of difficult in using microscopes because, like Theresa was saying, it was a solo activity and you're trying to point out things and say, hey, it's like on the left side next to the pointer or whatever. But hopefully this will allow us to get them to understand the material better.
Yeah, so now the student can, and also the instructor can look at the image on the computer screen together, and then the student can explain what they're looking at, and then the instructor can help them and have feedback, and then so it's more really interactive learning rather than just students looking at something blurry, trying to guess what it is, and then it's a much better interactive learning for students.